It's so muddy, bro. Almost lost all traction there. Oh, what the heck? What's up? Now this is the final stretch before I'm able to get out of here. Heck yeah. Last time I did this trail, what a beautiful, beautiful day, isn't it? I'm trying to ride as much as I can, because during the winter, bro, like I actually only went to work, school, and yeah, that's it. Work, school. That's all I did the winter with the scooter. Didn't really go places because it's not as fun as right now, where it's 78 degrees and humid because we're in a forest. Oh yeah, it's not going up. Oh bro. Heck yeah, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Easy. Now I can do side quests and explore the other branches of the trail. Let's go here. The tree branches are way too low. Got a tree in the middle. Easy. Oh yeah, baby. What the heck? There seems to be a house on the little island. What the actual heck? Hold on a second. Wait, is this the same people I saw earlier on the jet ski? Yep, that's them. Now the guy's driving from the back. Jet skis sound cool and are cool, but I don't know how to swim, so if anything were to ever happen to me, I mean, I can't swim. I was at the beach literally just yesterday, swimming a little bit, but like swimming like long distances, hell nah, bro. Let me take a couple of pictures here as well. I have unlimited thumbnail pictures now. Last time I came here, I was so curious as to what caused, why there are so many like rusted pieces of like bicycles and cars all over the place. There are some tire marks here. These are other bikes or electric scooters. Definitely not scooters, because these tire marks are very, very slim. So definitely like bicycles, because look at the size of my trail versus this small trail that's been left. I'm always monitoring the camera now to see if the mic is connected and stuff. Literally riding on a technically beach. Look at this. Ooh, the water is right there, bro. Ah! It's so muddy, bro. I almost lost all traction there. Ooh. Let me take some pictures here too. Awesome. Awesome. That's a lot of sand that I've got on my scooter. I'm literally full throttle at 1 mile per hour. There is literally no traction here, but it's doing it. It's doing it. We're getting out surely but surely. I mean slowly but surely. See, we're doing it. Easy. Turn here. Huh. I'm at a crossroad. Let's go straight. And I almost got impaled by a tree. Can't be serious, bro. Let's see if I can move it. Okay, good. Almost got hit in the face again. What the hell? Ooh. There was almost no traction. I'm literally dancing, bro. Going left and right. The hard part is over now. For now. This place is still covered in sand, so gotta be careful. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Oh boy. Oh. Okay. Okay, now I remember this area. There was a bunch of like burnt and engine parts and stuff like that. Was it here or somewhere else? I know they're in the area unless somebody moved them. Yeah, I can still see some remains of the rusted parts. Maybe somebody moved them or I'm in the wrong area. Left. How fun is that, bro? Just being in nature and struggling to keep my balance with all this sand. It's fun. Another crossroad. Let's continue on straight. Not another tree down in the road. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Are you serious? There's actually no shot I can do anything against this. Ah, god damn it. Now we have to turn back. Right. There was a piece of rusted car or motorcycle right there, so they definitely cleaned up the place. I know I'm not imagining things. Oh goodness. Hell yeah. This is where having bigger tires is an advantage over the sand like that. Left? I mean right. think if I go down this way, I'll find the same tree that blocked the path. Let's see if I'm correct. No, it is not. Let's make a U-turn. $18.25 miles, which means it's been 8 miles of just pure off-roading so far. 76 volts about. Oof. Check it out. Some rusted parts of a car, motor, and other pieces all over the place. A charging port was open. Could have sworn I closed it earlier. Gotta watch out for that too, so that random stuff doesn't get stuck inside. Gosh, once again, I really love front fork suspension, bro. Nobody can change my mind about this. Bruh, I'm back to square one. Not really, but I've been through here literally not even 5 minutes ago. Let me turn back. Oh, this is the spot. This is what the tree is. Dang it. And we've made it to the park. Let me drink some water. I mean, this is still a park, the trail and everything. I mean, like, you know, like open area with like civilization and, you know, let's head back in because I am not done. Oh, we got a kid on a dirt bike. Gas dirt bike. Because we got surrounds and stuff now, so I have to specify. Why is he on the grass instead of being like me? Like inside of all this forest and trails and stuff. Let's go down this way. The grass is not as fun as this right here. This is fun. This is exciting. This is cooler. Oh, what the heck? What's up? Maybe I should have asked to ride with him. Oh well. I bet you these two kids are together. Thank you. Sand is really tricky, bro. And this trail is just so random. One moment you're on solid ground, the next you're on the smoothest sand pit known to man. This is from me earlier. Heck yeah. Let me take a picture or two before I leave. Highland Park and Forest Park should have better, longer off-road trails that are more wide and more like properly designed. So I gotta go there and ride someday. Yo, that dog, bro. Better watch out, bro.
She's friendly over.
Hello. This is all from me earlier as well. I wonder how this place has come to have these like bumps that go up and down like that. Is it naturally formed or artificially made to be like this? I'm genuinely curious. Let's make it left. And that's an exit right here. Let's go back on the trail. Is this bike like oh, never mind, I see the owner. Because I seen this bike like an hour ago or almost an hour ago. Still at the same spot. We're almost done with the trail. I can see the light at the end of the tunnel. Yep. Almost out of here. I put the scooter through a lot today, bro. So many different terrains, situations, places. Just through a lot of stuff overall, man. Now this is the final stretch before I'm able to get out of here. Getting through this water. Oh man, come on. Oh, did the water rise? Yeah, the water definitely rose. Oh, what the hell? What the hell? What? I forgot what these things are called. No way, I have to take a picture. Damn. Let me just lean it against these right here. No way, bro. Oh, this is so cool. The both of them are like riding on top of each other. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera. Oh my goodness. Yo, check what I just found, bro. I was literally riding right here, and then I just seen them in the corner of my eye. This is so cool. First time I've seen one of these things in person. I did well to charge and bring all 3 of my camera batteries, but this is my last one, and I'm pretty much done with the trail riding stuff anyways. Yup, the water level definitely rose. And here it is again. I don't know what this thing is called. Hello there, guy. It's just laying down on the rock. I wouldn't want to swim here. Definitely not with these things and all kinds of unknown animals in the area. It's like doing something to the water because the dirt is being disturbed. I don't know what it's doing, but it's like disturbing the dirt with its like mouth or feet. I don't know. Man, how amazing is the animal kingdom? Am I right? So I'm at 75 volts now, and it's been 10 miles according to the odometer. Whoa, 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 whoa. Since I started riding, the water level rose in such a short amount of time. Let's go. Amazing. I know they put these like barriers here to stop large vehicles from coming in, but it would definitely make it easier if they just redesigned the entrances. Time to get out of here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This was a lot of fun, needless to say. How very fun was that? Oh boy. I want you all to comment Naruto if you're still watching. Let's confuse the ones who haven't watched the video up till this point. All of that noise just to end up here. This is much more tolerable. So I deadass forgot that the motorcycle jacket had pockets that you could like unzip to allow airflow into, and out of these 4 pockets only one of them was open, which is why every time I rode in hot temperatures my back ended up being always wet because there wasn't enough airflow going inside the helmet. But now I feel all the air coming in. You feel me? There's two vents in the front and 2 in the rear. So this is much more tolerable. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Again, comment the keyword in the comments. First person to comment it gets pinned. And I'm gonna catch you guys tomorrow for another ride. Peace.